Alright, so it's raining. I'm gonna test them out. Alright, so this is the extent of the water. It is pretty wet, but nothing too crazy. Yeah. So here's how they look. They're a little bit wet. You can see like that's the natural color, but honestly nothing too crazy can happen to them. I'll let you know how they dry. Alright, what's up YouTube? This is Mr. Zuni back at it with another video, and I'm going to bring to you a Thursday boot. So this is, as you can see from the title, this is the Rouge boot in sand or taupe, and it is the buckle boot, but they're just called the Rouge boot. And I did take these out into the rain, actually not by not on purpose, actually by mistake. It wasn't raining over here in Southern California when I went to go pick up my new iPhone, which I'm recording on right now. But it just started pouring as I halfway got to where I needed to go, and they did get pretty wet. I don't know what that is right there, but I'm assuming it's from the water. It did have a nice like leather look, but now as you can see, it's pretty worn off. I don't remember it being like this before today. I've been wearing them for about a week. So this is about a week in, maybe wearing them within the week, maybe four times or so, maybe 5 times, 4 or 5, but I did wear them each time for at least 8 hours or so. I wear them pretty much all day. I would say, as you can see here, there is some fraying going on. It's more and more, as you can see, they're just pulling up. It's kind of disappointing, but not too bad. I mean, you can clean all that up. It's not a big deal, but nonetheless, there are threads coming apart there. Also, I would say the buckle boot, it kind of bends up a little bit, but I have to kind of keep pushing it down. So, I mean, these boots are great. Like, I love these boots, and I'm taking these to Europe, my honeymoon, so I will be over there in Europe. As you can see, nothing too crazy going on with the footbed. It is very comfortable. Like, these are comfortable boots. They're not like normal leather, I would say leather boots or leather sole, where they are super hard when you first put them on. They are not super hard, nor are they like Ultra Boost. I don't know if you guys know Ultra Boost insoles or outsoles, but these are very comfortable. I do love the suede. The suede looks amazing on here. Right now, as you can see, they're a little bit wet, so they're a little bit more darker than normal. This is a beautiful color. A little bit of just creasing up here, but that's to be expected. I'm going to put some not insoles. I'm going to put some shoe trees in here to help the shape. I would recommend, especially if you get your boots wet or just in general, I would make sure to do that. Yeah, the only thing I would say went wrong with the boot, not wrong, but as you can see, it kind of wore off from the water. Not a big deal. I mean, I'm going to be wearing these boots, so it's not like I'm going to be looking at the bottom. But, yeah, as you can see, it's a little damp. I mean, it's not horribly wet, but it's a little damp. These are waterproof. They have waterproof on the suede and the leather wood soles. So you can see, I'm not sure if they both are the same. Yeah, they're both pretty much the same. And these were so comfortable to walk in the rain, like I was walking in the rain, and I did not have a fear to slip at all. So I would say these are a solid boot for 100 and or actually 200 boots, $200 boots, $199. For that, I mean, it's not too bad. I'm gonna fix that up, just take it apart a little bit, or just cut it off a little bit so it won't fray too much more. But these are amazing boot. Like, I would recommend this to anyone who wants a pair of like Chelsea boots, or if you want to elevate your style a little more from the traditional Chelsea boot. This does have a nice height, so I love this. These are very, very nice. These are Goodyear welted, so they'll protect you against the rain. And these are my favorite boots. Like, I can't wait to keep wearing them and take them everywhere I go. And they just look beautiful. Right now they're a little bit darker than normal just because they did get wet, so they're more like that color, but a little more damp. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys taken your boots out into the rain, the new boots, or any of the other Suede Chelsea boots, or any of the other desert boots? Let me know what your guys' experiences are. It's like that. As you can see, it kind of bends, so I kind of just push it back. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, these are amazing quality. I would say like a 9 out of 10 for sure. Peace. All right, so these are how they look in person. So they do fit very well. Like, I love the way these look, especially with my denim. So I decided to pick a black pair of denim. Some of my denim, I have my legs sit about right there. So I'm gonna get these a little bit brought in a little bit so I can sit like that. But for now, I have them kind of over, and that looks good too. And there's my cat. There's a close-up of my cat. So I'll show you how they look. Head.